Question number 1. Consider the following statements which are correct. The tiger is listed as endangered in the IUCN Red List of threatened species. Second, the Caspian Sea, the Javan tiger and the Balinese tiger are extinct subspecies of tigers. Third statement, tiger reserve in India. Largest is Nagarjuna Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve in Andhra Pradesh. Second question. Consider the following statements regarding Loktak Lake. Which statements are correct? It is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India. Second, Kaibul Lamjau National Park is situated on it. Third question, which of the following statements are correct? Electoral bonds are valid for 15 calendar days from the date of issue. Fourth question, with reference to National E-Governance Service Delivery Assessment, consider the following statement. It was organized by the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievance. Second, privacy for central ministry portals is one of the parameters of this evaluation. Both the statements are correct. Fifth question, consider the following statements. In the year 1884, the office of the Accountant General was renamed as the Comptroller and Audit General of India. Second, the Comptroller and Audit General of India is called the Chief Custodian of the Public Purse. Third, the report for the Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of the Union is submitted to the President. All the statements are correct. Sixth question, with reference to National Education Policy 2020, consider the following statements which are correct. An MPhil course will be discontinued and all undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD level courses will be included as interdisciplinary. Second statement, the National Research Institute will be constituted as an apex body to promote excellent research culture. The Higher Education Commission of India will be set up as the single body for the entire higher education except medical and legal education. Seventh question. Consider the following statement regarding Heredity Anomaly Outlook Index. Which statement is correct? Actual evapotranspiration and calculated potential evapotranspiration are the major parameters of this index. Question number 8. Which of the following statements are correct? AlphaFold is the deep neural network based protein structure prediction tool. Question number 9. Consider the following statement. Which statement are correct? According to the National Family Health Survey, tobacco use is higher among men and women in rural areas than in urban areas. India is also the second largest consumer and producer of tobacco. Various types of tobacco products are available in the country at very low price. Question number 10. With reference to African swine fever, consider the following statement. It is highly contagious and fatal animal disease that infects domestic and wild pigs and leads to an acute form of hemorrhagic fever. Its first case was recorded in Africa in the year 1920. African swine fever is not a dangerous to humans as it is only spread from animal to animal. The mortality rate is around 95 to 100% and there is no cure for this fever. So the only way to stop its spread is to kill the animals. Question number 11. Consider the following statement regarding Atal Incubation Center. Which of the following statements are correct? It is an initiative of Atal Innovation Mission. Its aim to create supportive ecosystem for startups and entrepreneurs in India. Question number 12. Consider the following statement regarding Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. Which statements are correct? It aims to provide universal health coverage by leveraging the digital ecosystem. It is a collaborative mission for both public and private actors. ABBA mobile app is a part of this mission. Question number 13. With reference to National College for Policing and Law Enforcement, consider the following statement. It has been constructed in Adu town of Maldives with India's grant assistance. Second one, the institute will prevent and combat violent extremism as well as de-radicalization. Question number 14. Consider the following schemes. Which of the above schemes are part of Shaksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 restructured scheme? Answer. Integrated Child Development Scheme, Nutrition Campaign, Scheme for Adolescent Girls, National Children's Home Scheme. Question number 15. Consider the following statement with respect to Central Vigilance Commission. Which are true? It is the apex vigilance institution under the Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003. It is an independent body responsible only to the Parliament. It submits its report to the President of India. Question number 16. Consider the following statement with respect to diammonium phosphate. It is the second most widely used fertilizer in India after urea. Nitrogen content in DAP is less as compared to phosphorus. Question number 17. With reference to Helena, consider the following statements. Which statements are true? It is an anti-tank missile. It is capable of penetrating battle tanks with conventional armor. Helena is the third generation anti-tank missile developed by the Defense Research and Development Laboratory, Hyderabad under the Missile and Strategic System MSS cluster of DRDO. Question number 18. Which of the following statements are correct? Panchamitra is India's initiative to tackle climate change at the Climate Change Framework Convention, that is COP26 in Glasgow. According to the revised climate change targets for the year 2030, at least 50% of India's installed electricity generation capacity in the year 2030 will be based on non-fossil fuel-based sources. Question number 19. With reference to Model Tenancy Act 2021, consider the following statements. Which are correct? The EMD can be a maximum of 2 months rent for residential purposes. Prior notice of 24 hours is required to be given by the owner before entering the rented premises for repair and replacement. Model Tenancy Act 2021 aims to establish a rent authority to regulate the rent of premises and to protect the interest of landlords and tenants to provide speedy adjudication mechanism for resolution of disputes and matters connected therewith or connected. Question number 20. Consider the following pairs. Which of the above pairs are correctly matched? Answer. Sustainable Development Goal Overview. Sustainable Development Goal 1, Eradication of Poverty. Sustainable Development Goal 13, Climate Action. Sustainable Development Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Sustainable Development Goal 17, Partnership for Goals. Question number 21. Consider the following countries. Which of the above countries share border with the Mediterranean Sea? Answer. Algeria, Tunisia, Greece, Egypt. Question number 22. Consider the following statements which are correct. Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India deals with the right to privacy. Right to privacy is the part of right to life. Question number 23. With reference to Ayurveda Siddha Unani Medicine Technical Advisory Board, consider the following statement which are correct. It is a statutory body under the provision of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. It advises the central and state government on regulatory matters of accelerated shelf life testing drugs. Question number 24. With reference to Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, Consider the following statement. Which statement is correct? One third of the total members of FSSAI should be women. Food Safety and Standard Authority of India is an autonomous statutory body established under the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. 6. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, is the administrative ministry of FSSAI. It consists of chairman and 22 members, of whom one third are women. Question number 25. Which of the following statements are correct? Pyrene, which consists of 4 benzene rings, belong to the highly toxic class of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. The white foul-smelling fungus Trimetes maxima IIPELC 32 was identified, which has the potential to cause microbial degradation of pyrene. Question number 26. Which of the following statements are correct? Coral reefs are formed by the deposition of freely moving larvae of corals on hard surface near the coast. A small amount of increased salinity in seawater is extremely important for the growth of coral polyps. Polyps use calcium dissolved in seawater and protect their skeletons. Therefore, a small amount of salinity is necessary for the development of coral reefs. Question number 27. With respect to Competition Commission of India, consider the following statement. Which statement is correct? It consists of a chairman and 6 members appointed by the central government. The Competition Commission of India is the statutory body of the Government of India responsible for enforcement of the Competition Act 2000. It was duly constituted in March 2009. Question number 28. Consider the following statement regarding Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. The Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action Agreement was signed with the 5 permanent members of the United Nations Security Council. They are United States, Russia, France, China and United Kingdom, as well as Germany and the European Union. The Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action aims to guarantee the civilian nature of Iran's nuclear program in exchange of the gradual movement of sanction. Iran also agreed to implement protocols that would allow International Atomic Energy Agency inspectors access to its nuclear sites to ensure Iran is not secretly developing nuclear weapons. Question number 29. Consider the following statements regarding Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion Plant, which are correct. It uses a temperature difference of at least 77 degrees Fahrenheit to power a turbine to generate electricity. OTEC system uses seawater as a working fluid. Question number 30. With reference to Food and Agriculture Organization, consider the following statement. It is a specialized agency of the United Nations. It released the State of the World's Forest report. Question number 31. Which of the following statements are correct? The Commission for Agricultural Cost and Price is mandated to recommend the minimum support price. The CACP submits its recommendations to the government every year in the form of the price policy report for 5 groups of different commodities, namely kharif crops, rabi crops, sugarcane, raw jute and copra. Question number 32. Consider the following statement regarding Dead Sea. It is situated between Jordan and Israel. It is the lowest body of water on the surface of the earth. The water of the Dead Sea is very salty. Question number 33. Consider the following statement regarding Small Satellite Launch Vehicle. The small satellite launch vehicle is the three-stage launch vehicle configured with the three solid propulsion stages and a liquid propulsion-based velocity trimming module as the terminal stage. SSLV is 500 km from Satish Dhawan Space Center. It is capable of launching 500 kg satellites into a flat orbital plane of 1000 meter altitude. It can accommodate multiple satellites. It can be adjusted both vertically and horizontally. Question number 34. Consider the following statement. The Constitution provides for special fund to be provided by the central government to the state government to promote the welfare of the scheduled tribe. There is a provision for the establishment of Tribal Advisory Council in the 5th schedule of the Constitution. Question number 35. Which of the following statements are correct? Freedom of speech and expression guaranteed to the citizen under Article 19 Clause 1 is different from the freedom of speech and expression granted to every member of Parliament. It is guaranteed under Article 105 Clause 1 of the Constitution of India, but the independence is subject to the rules and orders that regulate the proceedings of the Parliament. The Indian Constitution is derived from the British Constitution with parliamentary privileges. Question number 36. Inner land permit is necessary for entry into which of the following northeastern states? Answer: Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur. Question number 37. Consider the following statement regarding electromagnetic field. It is electromagnetic field emission. It is combination of invisible electric and magnetic force field. They are generated locally in the electric field by thunder and flashes of the electric charges in the atmosphere. EMF emissions from mobile towers do not have any adverse effect on the environment. Question number 38. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the Convention on Biological Diversity? It is a legally binding treaty. It works under the United Nations Environment Programme. Question number 39. Consider the following statement with respect to gold exchange traded funds. Gold ETFs are passive investment instruments that are based on gold prices. Gold ETFs are units representing physical gold which can be in paper or demat form. One gold ETF unit is equal to 1 gram of gold and contains physical gold of high purity. It is backed by exceptionally pure physical gold. Question number 40. Consider the following statement regarding Peninsular rock agamas. The Peninsular rock agamas, scientific name Psammophilus drossalis, is a type of garden lizard. They are not able to generate heat by their own body. They are mainly found in the southern parts of India. Question number 41. Consider the following statements regarding Monetary Policy Committee. Which is correct? Under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, it is amended in 2016. The RBI is entrusted with the responsibility of conducting monetary policy in India, the main objective of which is to maintain price stability with the eye on growth. The RBI Act 1934 empowers the central government to constitute a 6-member monetary policy committee. The RBI governor serves as its ex officio chairman. Question number 42. With reference to New START Treaty, consider the following statement. This treaty is legally binding and verifiable. The New Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty was the last remaining arms reduction treaty between the pre-Cold War rivals, limiting the number of nuclear weapons that could be deployed by the Russia and the United States to 1,550. Its duration was 10 years till the year 2021, but it has been extended for 5 more years till the year 2026. Question number 43. Consider the following statement with respect to mangrove forest. Sundarbans in West Bengal is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Mangroves develop special roots called pneumatophores for respiration. India accounts for 45.8% of the total mangrove cover in South Asia. Question number 44. Which of the following statements are correct? Support to marginalized person for livelihood and enterprise, that is SMILE, is an initiative of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Under the SMILE 75 initiative, 75 municipal corporations have been identified to implement the comprehensive rehabilitation of peoples engaged in begging. Question number 45. Consider the following statement regarding lion. The lion is classified into two subspecies, the African lion, that is Panther leo, and the Asiatic lion, that is Panther leo persica. Asiatic lions are relatively smaller than African lions. IUCN Red List were vulnerable. Asiatic lions are endangered. Presently, Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary is the only habitat of Asiatic lion. Question number 46. Consider the following statements. Which of the following are correct? The Criminal Procedure Act 2022 provides the police with the legal right to collect physical and biological samples of the accused as well as the convicts. The Code of Criminal Procedure is the primary law regarding procedural aspects of criminal law. Question number 47. Consider the following statements. The 74th Amendment Act included Part 9A in the Constitution for the administration of municipalities. The first municipal corporation in India was established in Madras in the year 1688, followed by Bombay and Calcutta in the year 1726. Question number 48. With respect to National Intellectual Property Awareness Mission, that is NIMAP, consider the following statements which are correct. It aims to inculcate the spirit of creativity and innovation among the students of higher education. It is being implemented by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Question number 49. Butterfly mine, which was in news recently, is related to which of the following? Answer: defense. Butterfly mine is highly sensitive anti-personnel landmine. It uses payload of 5 kg is sufficient to detonate the mine. It is very dangerous even for the small children. Question number 50. Consider the following statement regarding International Labour Organization. The ILO is the first and the oldest specialized agency of the United Nations, established in the year 1919. Global Employment Trends for Youth 2022 report has been released by ILO. The Government of India has not ratified ILO Convention number 189 on decent work for domestic workers. Question number 51. Consider the following statement with respect to non-banking financial company, which are correct. Non-banking financial company is an organization registered under the Companies Act 1956 and whose main business is lending, investing in various types of shares, securities, insurance business and chit funds related activities. Deposit insurance facility of Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation is not available to depositors of NBFCs. Question number 52. Consider the following statement regarding Langia virus. A new zoonotic Langia henipa virus has raised concerns amid cases of COVID-19 and monkeypox. The first case of Langia virus was reported in the year 2019. Langia virus is classified among biosafety level 4 pathogens. Langia virus is a zoonotic virus, which means it can spread from animal to humans. It is a part of the genus Henipavirus, which has a single standard RNA genome with a negative orientation. Unique features of the Henipavirus paramyxoverinae are their large genomes, long uncharacterized regions, making them an emerging cause of zoonosis in the Asia Pacific region. Question number 53. With reference to chronic fatigue syndrome, consider the following statements. It is a serious and debilitating disease which affects the nervous system and energy production in the body. It is also known as myalgic encephalomyelitis. It can affect anyone from children to adults. Question number 54. With reference to National Action Plan for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem, that is Namaste scheme, consider the following statement. It is a nationwide survey to enumerate all the sanitation workers engaged in cleaning sewers and septic tanks. It will replace the self-employment schemes for rehabilitation of manual scavengers. 2007. Question number 55. Consider the following statement regarding Defense Research Development Organization. It was formed from the amalgamation of the Technical Development Establishment and Directorate of Technical Development and Production with the Defense Science Organization. Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. It is run by DRDO. Question number 56. Exercise Udar Shakti was conducted between India and which of the following country? Answer: Malaysia. Question number 57. In which of the following countries is Lake Garda, which was in news recently? Answer: Italy. Question number 58. Consider the following statement. Which of the above elephant reserves are located in Tamil Nadu? Answer: Sriviliputra Elephant Reserve, Agastyamalai Elephant Reserve. Wayanad Elephant Reserve is in Kerala. Anamudi Elephant Reserve is in Kerala. Question number 59. With reference to the appointment of judges of the Supreme Court, consider the following statement. The present composition of the Collegium to recommend the appointment of Supreme Court judges was created in the third judge case, 1993. In 1977, M.U. Bhag was appointed as the Chief Justice of India in place of the then senior-most judge. This discretion of the government was curtailed by the Supreme Court in the second judge case, that is 1993, in which the Supreme Court ruled that only the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court should be appointed as the Chief Justice of India. In the third judge case, 1998, the court held the consultation process to be followed by CJI required consultations of more than one judge. The consultation process should not be deemed to be complete on the basis of sole advice of the Chief Justice of India. It should consult a collegium of the four senior-most judges of the Supreme Court and should not send a recommendation to the government if two judges also give a dissenting opinion. Question number 60. Consider the following statement regarding National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical System. The mission aims at setting up 15 technology innovation hubs, 6 application innovation centers, and 4 technology translation research parks. Its applications include driverless cars that communicate securely with each other on smart roads. Question number 61. With reference to Federation International de Football Association, that is FIFA, consider the following statements. It is the international governing body of association, football and beach soccer. Second, its headquarters is in Zurich. Question number 62. With reference to dam in India, consider the following statements. India has 4,407 large dams, the third largest in the world after China and US. The Kalanai Dam located in Tamil Nadu is the oldest dam in India. It is built on river Kaveri and it is about 2000 years old. Question number 63. With reference to air quality and health in the cities report, consider the following statement. PM 2.5 levels. Delhi and Kolkata ranked first and second respectively in the list of top 10 most polluted cities in terms of PM 2.5 levels. No Indian city featured in the list of top 10 or top 20 polluted cities with respect to NO2 levels. Question number 64. With reference to blockchain, consider the following statement. Estonia is called the blockchain capital of the world. Blockchain is used in the cryptocurrency system. A blockchain is a form of decentralized distributed database or ledger that is shared between nodes of the computer network. Question number 65. With reference to Governing Council of Niti Aayog, consider the following statements. It is a forum to discuss interregional, interdepartmental and federal issues. It includes the Prime Minister of India, Chief Minister of all states and union territories and Lieutenant Governors of other union territories. Question number 66. With reference to Indian ports ecosystem, consider the following statement. A draft Indian Port Bills 2022 will replace the existing Indian Ports Act 1908. The central government has permitted FDI up to 100% under the Atomic Route to Port Maintenance and Port Construction. Question number 67. With reference to Godavari River, consider the following statement. It originates from Trimbakeshwar in Maharashtra. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river system. It is also called Dakshina Ganga. The Godavari River originates from Trimbakeshwar near Nasik in Maharashtra and covers about 1465 km before falling into the Bay of Bengal. Tributaries are Purna, Pranahita, Indravati, Shabari are important left bank tributaries. Pravara, Manjra and Maner are the right bank tributaries. Question number 68. Which of the following statements are correct? The iceberg snailfish of Greenland are capable to survive in the frigid waters of the Arctic because of the anti-freezing proteins in their blood. Snailfish gets their glow by converting blue wavelength of the sunlight into green, red or yellow light. Question number 69. With respect to Nippon mines, consider the following statement. Nippon mines are indigenously designed and developed anti-personnel mines which DRDO calls soft target blast munitions. These mines act as the first line of defense against intruders and enemy infantry. They are small in size and can be deployed in large numbers. Question number 70. Consider the following statement. Water bodies beyond 200 nautical miles of a country coastline are considered high seas. The high sea area is prime for the discovery of pharmaceuticals. Question number 71. Which of the following statements are correct regarding fisheries in India? Fishery is one of the fastest growing primary product sectors. India is the second largest producer of the fish in the world, accounting for 7.56% of the global production and contributing about 1.24% to the country's gross value added and over 7.28% to the agricultural GVA. India is the fourth largest exporter of fish in the world. Tilapia is also known as aquatic chicken, has emerged as one of the most produced and globally traded fish food crop in the world. Question number 72. With reference to Jal Jeevan Mission, consider the following. It comes under Ministry of Jal Shakti. Its objective is to increase groundwater management, water conservation, rainwater harvesting. It is a part of Har Ghar Jal Jeevan mission. It facilitates gram panchayats to plan and implement water supply system. Question number 73. With reference to Asiatic lion, consider the following statement. Asiatic lion is found only in Gir National Park. Habitat loss is the biggest threat to the Asiatic lion population. Question number 74. Which of the following statements are correct? The orbital period of the satellite in its orbit is same as that of the rotation of the Earth around its axis. It's about geostationary satellite. Satellites in geostationary orbits are approximately 35,786 km above the Earth's surface. The distance is about 42 kilometers, 42,164 kilometers from the center of the Earth. This distance puts it in the category of high Earth orbit. Question number 75. With reference to China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, consider the following statement. It connects China's Kyogar Autonomous Region to Pakistan's Gwadar port. It will enable China to access the Indian Ocean. Question number 76. With reference to hydrogen fuel cell, consider the following statements. It converts hydrogen into kinetic energy. It takes hours to refill a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle. Question number 77. Consider the following statement with respect to crassulaceous acid metabolism, CAM. It is a carbon dioxide fixation process in plants. CAM plants grow under extremely adverse conditions. Question number 78. With reference to rural entrepreneurship project, consider the following statement. National Skill Development Corporation launched the Rural Entrepreneur Projects. NSDC, under the aegis of Ministry of Skill Development and Enterprise, has supported setting up of laboratories and classrooms through sector skill councils at Seva Bharati Kendra Skill Development Center. With this effort, the tribal population will be economically empowered. Question number 79. Which of the following statements are correct? Vigyan Jyoti Yojana provides an equal opportunity for meritorious girls in high school to pursue science, technology, engineering and mathematics in their higher education. Vigyan Jyoti program was launched by the Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology. Question number 80. Consider the following statements regarding Indian Energy Exchange. It is publicly listed company with National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. It is approved and regulated by the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. Question number 81. With respect to tomato flu, consider the following statement. There is no specific medicine to treat tomato flu. It is caused by enteric virus, which is rare in adults. The treatment of tomato flu is similar to the treatment of chikungunya. Question number 82. Which of the following are involved in India-Russia joint military program? Answer. Ka-2260 twin engine utility helicopter, Ilyushin HAL strategic transport aircraft. Question number 83. With reference to UNFCCC, consider the following statement. The UNFCCC came into existence in 1992 at the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. The subsidiary body for scientific and technical advice was established on the basis of UNFCCC. Question number 84. Which of the following statements are correct? The status of the black rhinoceros is listed as critically endangered by the IUCN. The habitat of black rhinos include semi-desert, savannas, forest lands and wetlands. Question number 85. Consider the following statement regarding nova. A massive explosion temporarily occurs on the stellar surface, due to which their brightness increases millions of times, then blackness gradually increases in weeks or months. It occurs in the binary system consisting of the white dwarf and a main sequence star. Question number 86. With reference to the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, consider the following statements. It was launched by the Ministry of Jal Shakti in the year 2014 with the goal of making entire India open defecation free. ODF plus status is given when not a single person practices open defecation and all community toilets are functional and well maintained. Question number 87. With respect to central bank digital currency, consider the following statements. CBDCs are digital forms of fiat currency and are legal tender issued and backed by the central bank, unlike cryptocurrencies that are not governed by any regulatory body. It is equivalent to fiat currency and is exchangeable one-to-one with fiat currency. Digital fiat currencies can be transacted using a blockchain-enabled wallet. China became the first major economy in the world to operate the digital currency eCNY in the April 2020. Question number 88. Consider the following which of the following statements are correct? Total fertility rate refers to the total number of child born or likely to be born to a woman during her lifetime. According to NFHS 5 study, India's total fertility rate has reached below replacement level. Question number 89. To which of the following states or UT is the Puga Valley which was in recently news? Answer, Ladakh. Question number 90. Which of the following countries have signed comprehensive partnership agreement with India? Answer, United Arab Emirates, Japan. Question number 91. Which of the following national parks are located in Odisha? Answer, Nandankanan Zoological Park, Simlipal National Park, Bhitarkanika National Park, Dibrighar National Wildlife Sanctuary. Question number 92. Consider the following statement regarding heat waves. According to India Meteorological Department, when the maximum temperature of the place reaches at least 40 degrees in plains and at least 30 degrees in hilly regions, it is called heat waves. Recognition of heat waves as the major disaster is long overdue. India still has a long way to go in building public awareness, especially on how individuals and local communities can protect themselves from heat waves. Question number 93. Consider with reference to Smart Indian Hackathon, consider the following statements. Smart Indian Hackathon was started in the year 2017. Smart Indian Hackathon is a nationwide initiative to provide a platform to students who solve problems faced by them in daily life and thus develop a product innovation ecosystem and problem-solving approach. Smart India Hackathon is an initiative of the Ministry of Education, All India Council for Technical Education, Persistent Systems and Inter-Institutional Innovation Inclusive Innovation Center. Question number 94. Which of the following statements are correct? Benami transactions refer to those transactions in which the real beneficiary of the transaction and the person in whose name the transaction is carried out, especially transactions relating to property, are different. That is the transaction that is carried out are different. Section 5. The property is owned by one person while the payment for it is made by another person. Question number 95. Paint Plus strategy, which was in news recently, is related to which of the following field? Answer, health. Consider the following. Question number 96. Consider the following statements. Wind turbines are invented about a century ago. After the invention of the electric generator in the 1830s, engineers began attempting to harness wind power to produce electricity. Wind power was first produced in the UK and the United States in 1887 and 1888 respectively, but modern wind power is believed to have first developed in Denmark. Offshore wind power refers to the deployment of wind farms inside water bodies. They use sea winds to generate electricity. These wind farms are either fixed foundation turbines or floating wind turbines. Question number 97. With reference to the Indo-Bangladesh Joint River Commission, consider the following statement. It was formed It was formed to maximize the benefit of the shared river system between two countries. It is headed by the Minister of Water Resources of both the countries. The Joint River Commission of India and Bangladesh was formed in the year 1972. Question number 98. Which of the following statements are correct? The Namami Ganga program is being implemented by the National Mission for Clean Ganga. The National Mission for Clean Ganga was registered as the society under the Societies Registration Act 1860. Question number 99. With respect to candidiasis, consider the following statement. It is a fungal infection caused by the fungus called Candida. It is often affects intensive care unit patients and cancer patients. Question number 100. Consider the following statement with respect to Competition Commission of India. CCI is a quasi-judicial body. The CCI has a chairman and 6 members appointed by the central government.